guys, day 4 at Chikmagaluru, and where am I going today? I'm going Z Viewpoint and Abbey Waterfalls. So this is my outfit, ready to go. I had my breakfast. Now it's gonna take me 2 hours from my room and 45 minutes of trekking. So it's gonna be very adventurous. Just stay tuned. So I'm doing Abbey Waterfalls first because they have time limits. After 3:30 you cannot go inside the waterfall. So I'm doing the waterfall first. So it's gonna take me another 45 minutes in jeep. So when you're coming through a cab, it will drop here, and after that you have to go in this car because roads are not so stable. So that's why we're going in this car. I said if you come here you have to go on these vehicles, and these vehicles will charge you 500 rupees per person, and these are sharing ones. If you want to have your own thing, you have to pay 7,500 rupees, and it's gonna take 45 minutes, around 12 kilometers, 45 minutes trip. Finally starting, guys. I don't know how long it will take. I will let you know. I was told it will take another 40 minutes, but let's see how long will it take. Enjoy the journey. This is so much fun, guys. As you can see. Mara, 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 mara. I wanna have a bulletproof jacket. As you guys can see, my body is shaken up by this trip, but not able to stand in the same place. The wind is very wide. The coming road part is more terrible than what we had. This rod is hitting my stomach. Alright guys, I'm done traveling in a car. Finally हिलते डुलते पहुंच गए. अभी पता नहीं कितना देर चलना पड़ेगा. So 30-40 minutes लगा उस कार में. It took more than 30 minutes I guess. I have to walk for a few minutes. Looks like I'm very close to waterfall. I have to go there. Feel like going, but I'm not going. I'm carrying my raincoat, some luggage. I'm gonna change it later.
No problem. You can
More 10 minutes?
Yeah. बस चल जाओगे. आपको जाने में पता चलेगा. हम जैसे बूढ़े
Oh, sweet. So more 10 minutes it seems. Those aunties just said it. Wow, have a look. So beautiful, so pretty. I can see a little bit of waterfall from here. Look, almost there guys, almost there. Not even minutes. Let me see it. Whoa! So pretty. I'm gonna go inside this time. Yesterday I was just not going inside completely, but this time I'm gonna go. Water is very cold. Whoa! Oh look! So much of water on my face. It's very difficult to walk on these stones. Very slippery. But I'm gonna go again from that side. Alright guys, if you don't want to get wet in water, if you stand you will get it. Because so much of water splashes on your face. Whoa, whoa, getting flood again. Ah. Whoa, waterfall. This is truly heaven. I'm having one of my greatest experience of my life. I've managed. Alright guys, finally I'm done. I'm totally drenched in water and now going back. I really had a good time here. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. See? Full totally wet. Have to be quick or else I'm gonna miss my cab. I changed clothes somewhere in झाड़ियों के पीछे. You guys should definitely try this experience. Amazing. I really wanted to experience the waterfall. Finally did it. Yesterday I couldn't. I didn't get wet totally yesterday, but today I got it. Alright guys, now done. Now going back, another 45 minutes of traveling in this car. Taka moki khake. Have a look. This is how traveling looks like in this forest. We're at the Z viewpoint. Luckily, I came here late and it will be closed at 5 p.m. Why I'm saying luckily? Because this viewpoint has been closed for 2 more months. So I cannot go. Not only me, nobody can go. If you guys are planning to come here, you shouldn't do it for next 2 months. Even if you're coming, you should come before 5 p.m. It's 5:45 now. Already late. So I'm going some other place. Just normal view only. Not Z viewpoint. This is Z point only. It's not the trek part. If you go to that side, you have to do trekking for 40-45 minutes. That's what they said. I didn't experience because it is close. The view. I was talking to one local guy. So what happened? This place has been closed from 2 months. And why it is closed? Because there were one couple and that guy pushed her from those hills. So that's why it's a murder case and it has been closed for 2 months. And they're gonna start in few days. Guys, back from that peak point and from waterfalls. Now I'm here at coffee place to drink some coffee. Day before yesterday I was here. I really liked the coffee. I wanna drink again. Alright guys, the day has ended and Chikmagaluru. Now time to go Bangalore. I really had a good time here. Lot of memories. Really happy. And time to go back to Bangalore, where I'm gonna stay for 2 days. I'll go back to Hyderabad. Really happy. Collected lot of memories. So yeah, next 2 days in Bangalore. Last day at Chikmagaluru, day 5, and the day of packing. I'm going back to Bangalore, where I'm gonna stay for 2 more days. So it's packing time now. A night in Bangalore. That's my room. I'm going out for a dinner. I have to walk few miles, and I'm here in Bangalore. I'm gonna stay here for 2 days. Then I'm gonna go back to Hyderabad. Let's have some food. Sixth day and last day of my trip. Here I am at my room. Not checking out right now. I'm going to some hotel to have some food. I'll see you there. This is the menu, guys. As you can see, leaf designed menu. Guys, it's my lunch today. I'm having some local meal here. It's my food, dal, curries, and have a look. Let's go. I'm here at Mafi to have kunafa. I just had my lunch at Nagarjuna, which is at Kurmangala. You guys saw how it looks. It was delicious. I would suggest you that place to have your lunch. The meals were super top notch. And I'm here at Mafe, just like I said. This place looks amazing. Here to have kunafa. I will show you the video and I will give you the review of it. Just had the kunafa, that's the name Mafi. Kunafa was yum, but I have tasted better kunafas than this. So I don't know why, but I really like this street, the main road. I don't know why, but it's looking very good. Very spacious. Like it looks like Shibuya and New York Times Square. What you're seeing right now is Church Street. What's so special about this road is I have never seen roads like such. Church Street and Brigade Road. This this is something unique. People are walking on the road and plus vehicles are running on that same road. This is something I have seen for the first time. Have a look how it looks. And this place has so much of vibe. So many people walking. This is the Brigade Road. This road looks very beautiful, well decorated, so many lights, and you can see so many brands. Very pretty, very beautiful. Let me know in the comment section if you like this road. What you seeing now is UB City. See. Abhi I'll show you clearly in this next video. That's the view from UB City. So many buildings and it's pretty dark here. You can see the fountain view and I think I will go now. The last night at Bangalore. Time to go home. I have a flight at 4:30 tomorrow, which is Tuesday, and still I have more to cover up. Just stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is the last day at Bangalore and I'm going back to the airport. Just checked out. Now I spent 7 days here. Spent 7 days here. Had really good experience. Now time to see Hyderabad again. See you. Just checked out. Now on the way to airport. I'll see you in Hyderabad now. Alright guys, so I'm at the airport of Bangalore. I got my luggage and everything. Now time to leave Bangalore. Now I will see you in Hyderabad. I just reached Bangalore airport and my flight is half an hour delayed. I was about to take off by 4:30. Now it's gonna take off at 5. So half an hour gap. I'm very sleepy, very tired. I thought I'll reach home early, but I will not be able to. Finally inside the flight. About to leave in 5 minutes.
We sincerely apologize for this delay.
Now finally about to take off. My flight was 20 minutes late again. Now it's 5:20. About to take off. You can see. See the flight's washroom. This is my first experience inside the washroom. I already traveled multiple times, but visiting washroom is my first. If it is your first time, then see. I know it's quite funny. Lot of mirrors. Come back to Hyderabad. Alright guys, now back to Hyderabad. As you can see, very tired, coming back with a lot of memories. I hope you guys also enjoyed as much as I did. on a sleep. Finally, 8 days of trip ends today. Very sad and very excited. Why sad? Because my trip got ended and excited to start my classes. Finally, the last moment where my trip gets ended. I'll collect my bag and I'll go home. So that's it from this vlog. I hope you guys really had fun. If you ask me how was this trip, I would say this was one of my favorite trip. Lot of greeneries, very soul satisfying trip. So that's it from this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comment section how you guys felt, and please let me know in the comment section that where should I go in my next trip. Till then, subscribe my channel and stay sexy.